My name is Kate Garrett. I'm pursuing Fisher's combined BSBA MAcc degree. I will graduate with a bachelor's degree in accounting as well as my master's of accounting. Fisher and Ohio State in general just has that intangible feeling that everyone is united and everyone's a Buckeye here. And even though this is a huge campus, that makes it feel instantly smaller. One program I have participated in here at Fisher through my undergraduate degree has been the Honors Accounting program. It's very teamwork based, and I've really been able to get comfortable with uncomfortable problems and with ambiguity and being able to work on a team and face those challenges head on in order to figure things out. Some of the high points of attending Fisher have been centered around really interesting people that I've been able to meet. I recall getting to meet the CFO of GE Capital and the CEO of Jenny's here in Columbus. That was such an incredible experience to have been a couple months into college and be sitting in a room with MBA students and with these really esteemed professionals. Donor support has allowed me to focus more on my studies while I've been at Fisher. So being able to really commit myself to my education and being able to take that extra time outside of the classroom to devote myself to student involvement in organizations that have really enhanced my experience here.